Hello guys, we are at Hastashilpa Heritage Village and my name is Sushant. I'll be telling you guys about this artifact. So this artifact it's made up of single tree trunk. As you can see, it's very huge, nearly maybe 32 inch or more than that. I'm very bad at maths. So yeah, nearly a 32 inch one, or it could be more than that. The size looks more bigger than 32 inch. So this was used for salt storage. They used to store the salt in this, and it was used during the barter system at that time, because this is a trader's house where you can see this. So of course they used to not have consume this much of salt, but instead they used to store salt and they used to sell it, they used to buy it. So it's used during the barter system. And yes, it is very huge, very thick, very strong. So it will come for, it will last for several years. Thank you guys.